Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm Lily, and wow, do I have something important to talk about today.
Hey, Lily. Hey, everyone. I'm Sam. You sound excited today.
I am, because today we're answering the biggest question every English learner asks. Sam, you know what question I'm talking about, right?
Let me guess. How do I speak English fluently?
Yes, exactly. That's the question. I get messages about this every single day. People say, Lily, I study so much, but I still can't speak fluently. What am I doing wrong?
And you know what? That's a great question, because speaking fluently is different from studying English.
Wait, what do you mean? Isn't studying how you get fluent?
Not exactly. Let me ask you something, Lily. Can you ride a bicycle?
Of course I can. But what does that have to do with English?
Everything. Did you learn to ride a bicycle by reading a book about bicycles?
No, that would be silly. I learned by actually riding a bicycle. Oh, I see where you're going with this.
Exactly. You learned by doing it. And speaking English is the same. You can study grammar for 10 years, but if you never speak, you won't become fluent.
That makes sense. But Sam, here's the problem. A lot of people don't have anyone to practice with. They're learning alone.
That's true. But I have good news. You don't need a conversation partner to practice speaking.
Really? How is that possible?
I'll show you. But first, let's talk about what fluency actually means. Lily, what do you think fluency is?
I think fluency means speaking perfectly with no mistakes.
That's what most people think, but that's wrong.
Wrong? But don't fluent speakers speak perfectly?
No, even native speakers make mistakes. I make mistakes all the time.
You do?
Of course. Just yesterday, I said, I goed to the store, instead of I went to the store. My friend laughed, and we moved on.
Oh, so mistakes are normal.
Completely normal. Fluency isn't about perfection. Fluency is about flow.
Flow? What does that mean?
It means you can speak smoothly without stopping every 3 words to think about grammar. You express your ideas naturally, even if you make small mistakes.
So it's more important to keep talking than to be perfect.
Yes, exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
Okay, that makes me feel better already. So how do we achieve this flow? How do we become fluent?
I'm going to give you 5 powerful techniques. These are the same techniques I used when I was learning Spanish.
Ooh, 5 techniques. Everyone listening, get ready to take notes. What's the first one, Sam?
Technique number 1. Think in English.
Think in English. But Sam, I automatically think in my own language.
I know, most learners do, and that's the problem.
Why's that a problem?
Because when you think in your language first, then translate to English, speaking becomes slow and difficult.
Oh, so the process is my language, then translation, then English. That's 3 steps.
Exactly. But fluent speakers only have one step. They think directly in English.
But how do I train my brain to do that? It sounds impossible.
It's not impossible. You just need to practice every day. Start small.
Okay, give me an example. What should I do?
When you wake up in the morning, look around your room. See your phone? Think the word phone in English. Don't translate. Just think phone.
Just the word phone?
Yes. See your cup? think cup. See the door? Think door. Do this throughout your day.
Oh, so I'm labeling everything in English in my mind.
Exactly. Then move to simple sentences. You feel hungry? Don't think in your language first, just think, I'm hungry directly in English.
I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need water. Simple thoughts in English.
Yes, and after a few weeks, this becomes automatic. Your brain starts producing English naturally.
Wow, that's actually not as hard as I thought. What's technique number 2?
Technique number 2, speak out loud every single day.
But Sam, I already mentioned this problem. I don't have anyone to practice with.
You don't need anyone. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Then talk to yourself when you're alone. In your room, in your car, in the shower.
Okay, but what do I say to myself?
Anything. Describe what you're doing. Talk about your day. Give your opinions.
Like, I'm making coffee now. The water is boiling. I'm putting sugar in my cup.
Perfect. That's exactly it. You're narrating your life in English.
And this actually helps?
Absolutely. Your mouth needs practice, just like your body needs exercise. If you never move your mouth to speak English, speaking will always feel difficult.
That makes sense. So I should do this every day.
Every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of speaking every day is more powerful than 1 hour once a week.
Okay, I'm gonna try this. What's technique number 3?
Technique number 3. Learn phrases, not individual words.
Phrases? What's the difference?
Most students learn vocabulary like this. Happy means this. Sad means that. Excited means this. One word at a time.
Yes, that's how I study. Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, but it's not efficient. Fluent speakers don't speak word by word. They speak in chunks.
Chunks, like pieces.
Yes, they use ready-made phrases. For example, instead of learning the word agree, learn the phrase, I totally agree.
Oh, so instead of just the word, I learn how it's actually used in real conversation.
Exactly. Learn I can't wait to instead of just wait. Learn it depends on instead of just depends.
This is brilliant, because then when I speak, I don't have to build sentences from scratch.
Yes, your speaking becomes faster and more natural because you're using ready-made pieces.
So I should write down phrases when I hear them?
Absolutely. Keep a phrase notebook. When you watch a video or read something, collect useful phrases.
Like fed up with or looking forward to?
Perfect examples. Write them down with the full sentence so you understand the context.
This is so helpful. What's technique number 4?
Technique number 4. Listen actively, not passively.
What's the difference between active and passive listening?
Passive listening is when you have English playing in the background while you do other things. Maybe you're cooking or cleaning, and English is just noise in the background.
I do that. I play English podcasts while I clean my house.
That's okay, but it's not very effective for improving speaking.
Why not? At least I'm hearing English.
Yes, but you're not really paying attention. Active listening is different. You focus completely on what you're hearing.
So I need to stop everything and just listen?
Yes, for 15 or 20 minutes, just listen. Nothing else. Focus on every word.
And what should I do while listening?
Try to understand everything. Listen to how words are pronounced. Notice the rhythm and melody of English.
Should I listen multiple times?
Yes. Listen to the same short piece 3 or 4 times. First time, get the general meaning. Second time, catch more details. Third time, focus on pronunciation.
Oh, and I heard about something called shadowing. Is that related to active listening?
Yes, shadowing is perfect. It means you repeat what you hear immediately, like an echo.
So if someone says, I'm going to the store, I immediately repeat, I'm going to the store.
Exactly. You're copying their pronunciation, their rhythm, everything.
That sounds like a great exercise. Okay, what's the fifth technique?
Technique number 5, and this is the most important one. Stop being afraid of mistakes.
This is my biggest problem. I'm so scared to make mistakes.
I know, most learners are, but let me tell you something. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher.
My teacher?
Yes. Every mistake shows you what you need to learn. When you make a mistake, you discover a gap in your knowledge.
I never thought about it that way.
And here's the truth. You cannot become fluent without making thousands of mistakes.
Thousands?
Thousands. Every fluent speaker made countless mistakes to get where they are.
But Sam, I feel so embarrassed when I make mistakes in front of people.
I understand, but think about this. If you never speak because you're afraid of mistakes, you'll never improve. You'll be stuck forever.
That's true. So it's better to speak with mistakes than to stay silent?
Absolutely. Speaking with mistakes means you're practicing and learning. Staying silent means nothing changes.
Okay, I need to change my mindset about mistakes.
Yes, welcome mistakes. Be happy when you make mistakes because it means you're trying.
That's a strange way to think about it, but I like it. So let me summarize the 5 techniques. Is that okay?
Please do.
Okay, technique 1. Think in English. Stop translating in your head.
Correct.
Technique 2. Speak out loud every day, even if you're alone.
Yes.
Technique 3. Learn phrases and chunks, not individual words.
Perfect.
Technique 4. Listen actively with full attention and practice shadowing.
Excellent.
And technique 5. Don't fear mistakes. Welcome them as teachers.
You got all 5. Well done.
Thank you. But Sam, I have a question. If someone does all 5 of these techniques, how long until they become fluent?
That's a good question, and the honest answer is it depends.
It depends on what?
It depends on how much time you practice each day. If you practice 30 minutes every single day, you'll see real progress in 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6 months? That's actually not that long.
No, it's not. But here's the key: consistency. You must practice every day, not just when you feel motivated.
Every day, even when I'm tired or busy?
Especially when you're tired or busy. That's when discipline matters most.
That's challenging, but I understand. So consistency is more important than the amount of time?
Exactly. 15 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week.
Because your brain needs regular contact with English.
Yes, your brain needs daily practice to form new patterns and habits.
Okay, I'm convinced. I'm going to commit to practicing every day.
That's the spirit. And Lily, let me give you one more piece of advice.
Please do.
Don't try to do everything perfectly from day one. Start with just 1 or 2 techniques.
Really? Not all 5 at once?
No, if you try to do everything at once, you'll feel overwhelmed and quit. Start small.
So maybe I start with technique 1 and 2, thinking in English and speaking out loud?
Perfect. Do those for 2 weeks until they become habits. Then add technique 3.
Oh, that makes it feel much more manageable.
Exactly. Small steps, consistent action. That's how you reach fluency.
I love that. Sam, before we finish, can we do a quick practice? Can we use some of these techniques right now?
Great idea. Let's do a mini speaking practice. Everyone listening, please speak out loud with us.
Yes, don't just listen, participate. Say the sentences out loud.
Okay, I'll say a sentence and everyone repeats it. Ready?
Ready.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Repeat again, everyone. I practice English every day.
Good. Next sentence.
I think in English.
I think in English.
One more time. I think in English.
Great. Next one.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Again, I am not afraid of mistakes.
Perfect. One more.
I will become fluent.
I will become fluent.
With feeling this time. I will become fluent.
Yes, I will become fluent.
Excellent work, everyone. How did that feel?
That felt good. I hope everyone at home practiced with us.
Me too. Remember, speaking out loud is so important. Your mouth needs exercise.
Absolutely. Okay, Sam, we need to wrap up. But before we do, let's motivate our listeners one more time.
Good idea. Everyone listening right now, I want you to understand something very important.
What's that?
Learning to speak English fluently is not about talent or luck. It's about consistent practice and the right techniques.
So anyone can become fluent?
Anyone. It doesn't matter how old you are, where you're from, or how many times you've tried and failed before.
What matters is starting today and being consistent.
Exactly. The person who becomes fluent is simply the person who never gives up.
I love that. So everyone, don't give up. Keep practicing every single day.
And remember, progress is more important than perfection. Focus on getting a little better each day.
Yes, even 1% better each day adds up to huge improvement over time.
That's right. And if you ever feel discouraged, come back and listen to this episode again.
Yes, we believe in you. We know you can do this.
Absolutely. You have everything you need inside you already. You just need to practice.
Okay, before we say goodbye, let's remind everyone to subscribe to Daily English Practice.
Yes, please hit that subscribe button. It helps us create more free content for you.
And give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.
Also, leave a comment. Tell us which technique you're going to try first.
Yes, we read all the comments. We want to hear from you.
All right, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. We appreciate you so much.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself.
And remember, you will become fluent. It's just a matter of time and practice.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking.
Goodbye.